There is a fountain filled with blood drawn from Emmanuel's veins, and sinners plunged beneath that flood lose all the guilty stains, lose all their guilty stains, lose all the guilty stains. Then sinners plunged beneath that flood. The dying thief rejoiced to see that fountain in his day, and there may I, though vile as sea, wash all the guilt, all my sins away, wash all the sins away, and there may I, though vile as sea, wash all the. Thou dying Lamb, thy precious blood shall never lose its power, till all the ransomed church of God are saved to sin no more, are saved to sin no more, are saved to sin no more, till all the ransomed church of God are saved to sin no more.